Sawadika. Hi everyone, welcome to Payao Co-Learning Space. Today we're gonna make green papaya salad. Yeah, we use the clay mortar and wooden pestle. We don't use the rock mortar because we don't want the green papaya crushed like chili paste. First, let's get started. First, we put the chili in, dry chili and chili. If you like more spicy, you can put more, and some of garlic. Then pounding it. If you don't want the chili to jump in your eye, you can. This is a tip. You can put a little bit of shredded papaya inside there, or you can put some of sugar inside it and then pounding again. And you can look at it, and the chili is not jump out of the mortar. And then you use the cherry tomato and cut it. Put in the mortar. And this, the tamarind juice, a little bit, 1 tablespoon. I want more. I like sour. I put more, 1 tablespoon. And the important ingredient here is fermented fish sauce น้ำปลาร้านะคะ This is the important ingredient. You cannot miss it because you make ส้มตำปูปลาร้า I put inside the mortar 2 tablespoons. And lime. Okay, you cut the lime and squeeze it in the mortar and put everything inside there because I like the smell of the skin of the lime. It makes your green papaya salad more delicious. And mix it together. And put 2 handfuls of the shredded papaya like this. And when you pounding it, you can make it like use the big spoon to flip and mix it well like this. I forgot the palm sugar. I will put a little bit of palm sugar. Actually, you have to put when you put the liquid, but now I forgot it. I will put it later. It's okay. Okay. Now finished already. I will show you. Look at this. Finished already. You want to try? It looks yummy and spicy. Green papaya salad for today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Last but not least, in the coronavirus pandemic, everyone have to eat healthy foods like this, and I hope you guys be strong and healthy.